Kani kadai kedodashan Meghalaya bani pediang sengabhai pi baro syakani kathuk kubor mentaga janmit syuaban paj ki kubor ki babniak ini pet syuai kimat pekongsan. Pelaj Menteri Rangbak Gejala Ukanrat Sangma ya ke public bicycle sharing system ke Beningkong Shillong ban kentil badan wandra ya gejinjengam hari Jakatsor. Penkub Burom Ulat Gejala UCH Wijaya Shankar ya sanmut kinong yok kusnam haka Riti Academy Annual Award. Mi cingakan ad hapdeng kinong song ka Maikhuli bat Assam hadian kejing penyeng pos ding elektrik. Bat kejing kiyo kejing pang HIV ha Meghalaya kalong Arsha habayanucor ha kari barok kawai. Ya ceprang kejing pensengau tu baik-baik. Kikubor kibabniya. Menteri Rangbak Gejala Ukanrat Sangma ulami syaki surok jangkanong ba Shillong hen negasngi da kebanyak ya ke electric bicycle ban pelat baik-baik ya ke public bicycle sharing system ke Beningkong hakanong ba. Kani kecing temu ke PNI ya ke Sinjam ke Bakongsan ha ke Bapen Kela ya ke Shillong syakanong ba ke bala ban yat cat banyak ada ki cycle. Ha kecing adan lang uteng shop ubalongru uriu sumarmet umilin suman bat kecing syembenta Menteri Rangbak Gejala. Kala kentu ya kecing asnok tilang cengkinong song bakin pediang ya ke non motorized transport bat ban yadan bentalang ban penlong ya ke nong ba Shillong ke Bajarngam bat ke Bakoit Bakia. Ka public bicycle sharing system kadai ka nongrim Bakongsan jong ka Shillong urban mobility policy jong usnam arhajar arpusaw ka batmu ban penkala laipusan na ka shispa ka baleching let klem kaching pendon kam yakikali.
Entire concept of Ride Shillong, where we're going to give public electric bicycles to people, which means it's publicly owned and people will just rent it and use it, and these are all electric bicycles, and hence even in a kind of uphill you don't have to pedal so much. There will be electric system to support you. So it's a very good technology, and it's very good for a place like Shillong, and anybody of any age can actually use this. Trying to encourage people to use electric vehicles, electric cycles. Very soon we're coming up with a scheme for electric taxis also. We'll be getting the first installment of about 50 electric buses that are coming up.
Initiative, it's a great first step to start this public electric bicycle sharing system, and I hope that all the infrastructure changes that they've spoken about, which are very exciting, I hope they all come true very soon. I wish the government of Meghalaya all the very best, and also their partners GIZ, the German partners. I think if they work well together, and of course with the support of the citizens of Meghalaya and the citizens of Shillong, I think Shillong is going to be a heaven on earth like it used to be years ago.
One is that it's good for your health, and it's a green source of mobility. Basically, there's something called non-motorized transport, NMT. So many developed countries and cities, they are going for NMTs. Where you can walk, where you can cycle, where you can use electric bikes or electric vehicles and all that. The future of transport mobility is basically NMT. So here also, of course, there's challenges, but I think it's a start, and we have to start and slowly grow and plan accordingly.
Riti Academy Annual Award kabapra kalalong henai kasngi haraj bahawan ha kabala penkub burom ya sangut kiriu don sab ha karwai kasyau bat kaput katem. Ulat Gejala Meghalaya UCH Wijaya Shankar ula ai kejingaro ya ka Riti Academy halor kejing tre shitom jongka ban ithu bat penkub burom ya ki badon ya ki sab bakarpang ha Gejala kibalayo iki khusnam ki kenthop ya u Dr. Meban Lampang Lengdo Rangket Box si Dokrut Kermenlang Yuria Ram Kimjin bat u Ricky Paul Marwen. Ya kini ki khusnam la sam da ulat haga jinga don lang uba Rafael Warjri chairman ka Riti Academy ki he ka sarkar jala uba FR Kharkongor u Dr. BDR Tiwari lembat ki bahiyeng hasem chongkinong sha penkub burom.
And what is permanent? Riti Award is permanent. Our achievement is permanent. What we contribute to the family, to the society, to the nation, that is permanent. our achievement, dedication, sacrifice, that is permanent. Other than that, nothing is permanent. Some of the very good artists have come here. Some of the very good poets, they had come here. Really, the way how you are going to select some of the personalities in the name of this academy, that is also wonderful. That is also going to be a standing example to the rest of the other academies.
Kajing ya kachia kalas dang hene kasngi hapdeng gitrai shnong chong ka Maikhuli bat ki nong shong shnong ka Assam. Hadian ba ka Assam State Electricity Board kalapen yang artali ki post boarding ha ka khandai tarik metau benai hapo ka jaka chong ka Maikhuli. Kani kajingja kala nangchur nadu balami kajia kan at. Dakat maktien kabala penlong ya ki pulit bat ki Manchester nari bhoi bat Kamrup district bakin tuklar halor kani ka benta. Menta ki nong shong shnong ka Maikhuli ki dang up ya jubab na ka office chong u deputy commissioner da ka bakin tu bakin ya kren bat ki bor badai kmi na Kamrup. Kajala Meghalaya kala kadang yakun persya ya gajingkiu jang gajing pang HIV habayanu jor bat karihi barok kawe. Halor kani gajingkiu kabashir khay u Deputy Director ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society uba Ajoy M Lanong ula bancur ya gajing don kam ban pen klein ya gajing aram. Hakabayadai bat gajing don jang knyang jing pang HIV. Kajala Meghalaya kadon hakakardan kapapaw ha hapo kathan satay lamingi. Tikumta ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society hene kasngi kelas dang ya ka program pensapreng jingtip lani ka IEC campaign kum kadak ban rakhe ya ka International Youth Day. Kum shibanta jong kani ka jingtmu la penlong ya ka jing pen sngau thu pajba ha ka balaya shimbanta shidhem daki khna school.
So this year we are targeting more than 1,000 villages with more than 3,000 to 4,000 door-to-door campaign as well. As you've all seen in the news lately, there's been a lot of talk about HIV/AIDS program in Meghalaya. We've seen the rise in cases that we all know that's about 10,000 plus now. So we want to cater, especially our target group, especially the youth. So this campaign is being officially launched today on the occasion of International Youth Day as well. And besides the campaign, we're also having different activities. We are having a rally, bike rally, along with the school and college students. We actually just recently had a short film competition as well, which we'll be announcing today at the day of the campaign. Besides that, we have the poster making competition as well.
Uway na kihinriungut ubala suba dan kti hagikam rakbor dangshen ha Southwest KHASI Hills ubala tipkum u akram na Bangladesh ulakladno nagajing mensaw hinin kamin ya uni ubriu ubala mensaw jur lalap daginong shongshnong chongkashnong kai thakona hagajan miet chongkasngi nengkong lapin kenria no yu shakhongjoy PHC Henry lapen bana ba ulakladno hashwa ba unpoy hakate ke jaka sumar U akram uday uway na kiprangut kinong Bangladesh kibla syakano ba ula rakbor bat thombor ya uway usamla badang arhuway snam karta na kaway kasnong kabahab hapo jongkaranikor hakapratarik menta ubanay. Na kaliang Superintendent of Police ka Southwest KHASI Hills uba banrap lang jerwa ula pentip ba hadu menta lakiam sangut katba kajing twet ya ki arngut kadang ya chakman. Ka Ribansi Jammu ka samla elekai football gajala kala syajit na pedeng ki arphongut kinong elekai ki bahapo arpho snem karta ban mikmat ya kari India haka AFC Under 20 Women's Asian Cup qualifiers kabalatmu banlong ha Thailand ha usnem ban 1 Karibansi kabadai kanong apkul kadai ka kun chong uba Welbin Sim bat ka kong IT Lut Jammu ki basyong basa hamenar jirang haribhoy nakaliang MLA ka jirang uba Sostenes Sotun ulayaro ya ka bakalawan ra ay kajing sarong ya ka constituency bat airu kajing ketbok ketruang ya ka bat kumchu ya ka kanhun ya kai football chongki kan thai ka India barok away
India Under 20 kala wan haka bahakli tam haka point ladangi bisyari ki point bat ngakit bok kerwian ya i Miss Ribansi Jammu ibadai i goalkeeper iban sekenjo ya ka khat news nam iba lala ban represent la ne balet mikmat ya ka jela ko jungi
Kanot Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai kala penlong ya ka program ai khublei henen kasngi ban rakhi ka chingchop chong ka kanhuan ya le kai football chong ki khana shenrang ha ka kadan ya le kai under 17 ha ka state level Subroto Mukherjee Cup hadian prasnem kani ka kanhuan kan saya khun ha ka international Subroto Cup tournament ha ka nong ba Delhi Nakaliang UMLA uba wailat Miki Shela ula ai da ka khusnam pisa ka ba shilak tingka shakani ka school ha kani ka program la penkup buramru ya ki khna ki bala lechngo ya ka Isro hapo ka NE Sparks bat kala ithoru ya uba lamat u lalu ubala shakri la bunsnam ha ka ban penya ya ke jingele kai football Utay UMLA bat u principal ki la yaro ya kani ka school ka bala pen lejingmot ha ka puli puthi bat ha ka kamile kai sport Ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong kala penlong ya kajing hikai babnia ka ba arsngi ka bathmu ban kentiu ya kajing tibet chong ki nong khmi ya ki dawai penyap khnyang bat ki nong di dawai penyap khnyang chong ga jala kajing thmu jong kani ka long ban pen lejing mut ha ka ba pen ko bor ya ki nong ya shimbanta da kajing sngo thu ka ba janai ya ka Insecticides Act jong usnem khat khandai spa hre phra bat ki insecticide rules jong usnem khat khandai spa hnyo phwei ka bala pen ya so lang ya gi jing shempang ha ka liang ka theory bat gi jing pen I ke bala ban le la ni practical
So what we are recommending to the insecticide inspector is to go with the label claim of the pesticides as per the CBSC recommendations, and by the end of the training the inspectors have the confidence and full knowledge about that act and rule. In coming days these inspectors as well as the dealers have the responsibilities. They will implement the same in the Meghalaya, all over the Meghalayan districts, to control the misuse of pesticides in the field, and same way they will educate the farmers for better use, better awareness in this case of how to use, how not to use.
So these inspectors has two roles here.
Yeah.
One is at the dealer level and the other one is at the farmer level. Right?
Yes, they have their roles to control.
Ban rakhe ya ka International Youth Day bat ban sedang ya ka intensified IEC campaign ka District Integrated Strategy for HIV AIDS nongpo hapo ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society kala penlong ya gajing yat pat ba jagi samla bat gajing ya ko pen I ya ki plakat ka bathmu ban pen thu iki samla halor gajing pen ko boriki ka koi ka khia bat gajing kit khli ha ka emlang sa lang Ya kani kajing alang la penlong halor ka phang pedeng local youth as pioneers in the fight against HIV and AIDS. Ya kani kajing yat pat ba lasdang na kachaka rong syapa hamsim bat la penkut hari boy college ha ka bala kring ya kajing ya shimbenta jugi samla puli chong katai ka college. Ka North Eastern Space Application Center bat ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment. Hene kasngi kala rakhe ya ka National Space Day arajar arpusan ha SMELC tura. Kani kajing rakhe ka longkum kajing le buram ya kajing hiar chong Chandrayaan 3 bat kajing persyang ban penyaso I kajing mutjing perkhat jungi samla bat ki program basdang jong ke India syahau hau. Kiladon hadu lai spangut ki khna puli na ki lai photali ki school na keleng ki district chong karilum garu ki balaya shimbanta hakani ka program la pen iru syapang ki technology chong ka hau ha ka ba ki khna puli ki la banwat benia Arngut ki samla ele kai na West China Hills kilayo ban khorta kama ha kalampung ele kai jongka Asmita Khelo India Women's League arajar arpusan kabalalong Hasai Training Center Shillong kinong chap takma kilong ka wan bhaki suchang naka school Saint Raj Higher Secondary School Jowai bad ka Valiancy Lamare naka school Don Bosco mi mentudu Kawan bhaki kalayo Korea ka takma rupa haga senior women kadba ka Valiancy kala Korea ka takma rupa haga sub junior jongki kenthai Nakaliang ka West China Hills District Wushu Association kala ai khublai kerpang yakini ki arngut ki nong ele kai ki balayo Korea ka jingchom Kumshi benta jong gajing rakhe ya kasngi lai luj ka Raj Bhavan Shillong kan pli na ka benta ki patba ha ka khatsau bat khatsan tarik unailar nadu kapor lai steng jan mit hadu kapor nyau steng jan mit Mentangin pet igajing longjing man ka sen beneng Hatura kaching kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, but kaching shoot kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kaching sngam kahaw menta kasingi kalong prapusan na kashispa. Kaching hap slap kalong iwe 0.9 mm. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong, kaching kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, but kaching shoot kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kaching sngam kahaw menta kasingi kalong prapusan na kashispa. Kaching hap slap kalong 10.9 mm. Kadba hajawai, kaching kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, but kaching shoot kalong 40 degree Celsius. Kaching sngam kahaw menta kasingi kalong prapun rio na kashispa. Kaching hap slap kalong iwe mm. Kala abandon kaching hap slap but kaching tiet uperthat hagi babun ki jaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Shwaban poi sha kabakut jong kathuk khubor yen ya pet biang sashisien yakimat bakongsan. Pelat Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukondat Sangma yaka Public Bicycle Sharing System ka Banengkong e Ashilong ban kentiu bat banwanra i gejing jerngam hagi jakasor. Penkop Buram Ulat Gejala UCH Wijaya Shankar ya sangut kinong yo khusnam ha ka Riti Academy Annual Award. Mi jing akan at hatreng ginong song shnong ka Maikhuli bat Assam hadiang kecing penyang post ding elektrik. Bat kecing kiu kecing pang HIV ha MEGHALAYA kalong arsha ha bayan jor ha kari barok kaweng ya chaprang kecing pen sngotu paibang. Te parlok katung ila poisha kabugut jong kathuk khubor jingi menta ga janmit hadu bangin daya syambyang bat phila shai kasngi khlei phi baro.
Participating in the Olympiad.
I warmly welcome you to India for the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics. In India, tradition meets innovation. Spirituality meets science.